Hello traders, welcome to a new video in my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the most simplest and the most powerful strategy of trading binary options. If this is your first time of seeing my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share to help your trader friends. So in this video, we'll be looking at the most powerful strategy of trading binary option, and you will agree with me that without a strategy you cannot actually succeed in trading binary options. Now, if you are into binary, forex trading, cryptocurrency, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Please join me as I introduce the strategy to you. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Okay, in today's video, I will show you how to trade binary options with the most simplest and most powerful strategy. This is Monte-Carlo style. What I mean is, when you lose a trade, you have to increase by your stake, okay, so as to recover the previous trade. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to change the chart type. So we set up the charts by changing the chart type to candlesticks. Then we change the time to 5 minutes. Okay, and of course you set the trade expiry time to 5 minutes. Now you can equally use 1 minute, but I don't recommend it because 1 minute is too fast and you may not be able to concentrate, and before you know it you might end up losing your money. So I advise using 5 minutes candlesticks and 5 minutes trade expiring time. Okay, so let's quickly add our indicators. We will just need just one indicator. We need only one indicator for this trade. So we'll add RSI, relative strength index. That is just the indicator that we require for this trading. So the period will be 21, overbought 80 and oversold 20. So we apply. Now this is RSI. So let's look at how to use this strategy. So first we will check for whenever this RSI line touch the overbought line. So you take for puts, you trade for lower. Now whenever the RSI line touch the oversold line, then you trade for call, that is higher. So let's look at some examples even from our chart. You see right from here, from this candle, this RSI touches the oversold line, and then you have a call as in green candle. Likewise in this place, from this candle the RSI line touches the oversold line, and then we have a green candle. So okay, now you may have a case whereby it touches and it doesn't reverse immediately, because this is a reversal strategy, so it doesn't reverse immediately. Like in this case, the RSI line touches the oversold line, but the next candle continue on low, as in red instead of green. So what we do in this case is this: we should have at least a capital, because here I actually started with a capital of $20, so you should have at least a capital of $20. So look at my Excel worksheet. Let me show you with my Excel worksheet. Okay, it's not on yet. I need to open my Excel worksheet to show you how that is being done. Okay, Alright, this is my Excel worksheet. This is my Excel worksheet. Okay, now from the Excel worksheet, this is it. If you have a capital of $20, the first trade will be $1, and if that goes successfully, you will have your profits, and you will stop and wait for the next signal for either the same asset or for a new asset. But if it goes against you, if it is out of the money, then the next stake should be $1 again. Okay, let me delete with $1. So you go on for the $1, and if you lose that again, you will use $2, which means to recover both the first and the second trade. And if that did not work, also you can use $5 to recover both the first, second, and third trade. Now, if that did not go, you can use $11. That is for a capital of $20. So you have 5 raises. Okay. Now, if you have up to $50, you can try $25. If that did not go, if you have up to $100, you can try $55. So this is for a capital of $100. You have 7 raises: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But for those that have just $20, this is enough. So you have 5 raises. Now with that, you have at least 5 in a row. The tendency of the market reversing once it hits the oversold or overbought line is very, very high. Like in this case, it touches the oversold line, and then the next candle, let's say from here you enter the market. So for the call for this candle, and now this candle did not reverse, it's still red, so we will lose $1 in this case. We'll try again for this, and then we lose it again. For this one, we'll now use $2, then we'll recover this and this. Now take note, whenever you lose the first trade, for every other trade you are going to put is actually to recover the lost money. Now with this, you will always be a winner if you can take 5 successful trades in a row. Please don't avoid total distraction when you are trading. Like let's say in this case, you can say for this candle, this touches the oversold line, and then you take for a call, and the candle went up, and that is a successful trade rather, a winner. And we can scroll. Okay, we have another one here. You can see from this place it hits the oversold line, and then the candle went up. So the same way, we can add more assets. We can add please remember to select 5 minutes, and your trade amount should be $1. So let's add one more, let's say GBP USD. So we also select 5 minutes, and we can also check this. Oh sorry, this is supposed to be 5 minutes candlestick and 5 minute trade expiry time. Okay, now let's look. Let's scroll and see when it will hit. Okay, now in this case, you can see here, or even write it from here rather, it touches the oversold line. The next candle did not reverse, and the third one went up. Okay, so likewise in this case, hit it and then it went up. So this is advisable to trade more on big candles instead of smaller candles, so you have a greater chance of reversing. So let's add more assets. As you add, you don't have to, I don't really want this is just 76%. I don't want that. Okay, we can go for this 84%. What is happening? So we choose 5 minutes, and then we pick 5 minutes or so. Let's go on and add one more. And okay, GPY. 5 minutes already, and then we add 5 minutes. You can see for this one it hits over bought and then the candle reverse. So you take a call option, you put option here, definitely